In this video, I'll show you how to mute your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. There's two ways on how you can do it. The easiest way is to click on the volume down and then click on the three dots over there. You're going to get the volume of everything that your phone is capable of. So let me redo it. We have settings. You can mute this, mute the ringtone, and mute the volume of your apps. And at the end, this is for music. So you have control over the volume of everything. Now, if you don't want to use this, and let's say this is how it is usually, you can also put your phone in Do Not Disturb. I think it's easier. You just have to drag down from the top right corner. And from here, drag down and select Do Not Disturb. So once you click here, you can turn this Not Disturb mutes all calls, notification, and other alerts. So you can keep Do Not Disturb until you turn off Do Not Disturb, or you can set a timer, let's say for an hour, no one will be able to annoy you with their notification and phone calls. So it's up to you. Let's say turned on. And once you have this activated, you will also see this on top telling you that you are in Do Not Disturb mode. You can cancel this at any time by tapping on Do Not Disturb. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.